What is going on, bulls and bears? Super crypto. We're gonna do a quick TA on MATIC. So for MATIC on the 4-hour chart, and there's a couple altcoins that are kind of in this same boat right now. On the 4-hour chart, we are beginning to swing up. That is a bullish indicator. But on the day, there's this looming downtrend. So before I get into the actual TA, I want to talk about the DXY and the total crypto market cap. The 4-hour chart and the day chart on the DXY is on a downward trajectory, which is a bullish sign. However, the big picture on the total crypto market cap is where my concern is. 4-hour, we have the potential to move up. A lot of 4-hour charts on altcoins are showing that we are potentially going to move up. However, on the day, is where my big concern is. A lot of day charts do show this 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 big downtrend. So in the event that the downtrend does play out, the targets that I am paying attention to is $1.05 trillion and $1.03 trillion. That's where I believe RSI is going to reach the oversold state. I'm not too sure how we're going to get there. We could chop around and then fall, or we can literally bounce up and then fall. But this downtrend is still at play. At least that's what I see. So back to MATIC. On the 4-hour chart, we are pushing up, but we're chopping around like there's not too much strength, right? And on the day, there is that potential for us to push down just a little bit further. We are getting close to where I believe RSI is going to reach the oversold state. So I'll go over um, the bearish scenario for now. If you are bearish from this point, pay attention to uh, basically $1. It's really $1. Let's 1.0018. I have that as a micro fib. After that, your next target would be 0.9802. And then I believe RSI is going to reach the oversold state, at least on the day, between 0.9650 and 0.9447. Be sure to add plus or minuses on these targets because people are going to be, going slightly above, slightly below, but at least you have some type of indicator. Now, if you are bullish from this point, pay attention to 101.52. That's kind of acting as a resistance right now. I may need to move this target slightly because we're kind of in between. I may need to readjust this one, but this was the target that I've had marked out previously. It seems to kind of be shifting just a little bit, so I'll refine that. But the next target would be 103.96. So between these two ranges right here, we're there's a lot of strong resistance, right? Next, another it starts there's a lot of strong resistance in this area. Like you could see it. Look how we're chopping around. Next would be 105.64, and then I'm gonna call 107.35. Things can continue to move up, but we're encountering a lot of choppy resistance within this area. So that's really all I got for this video. Be sure to trade safe, trade smart, and don't forget, we're all in this together. Peace.